Welcome to Tech Sandaru. Today I am going to teach you how to create a YouTube channel easily. But first you should subscribe our YouTube channel and leave a big fat like on this video. Let's get into the video. First you should go to YouTube. Click here. You should click the circle and click your channel, and they will ask your YouTube the name of your YouTube channel. You should type whatever you want in your YouTube name. I will type Tech. Yes, and click the create. Now your channel is created. You should, by clicking here, by clicking the camera icon, you can upload videos or you can go live. They will ask some like this. You can go live, and now your channel is created. You should upload videos now. So you can click the settings button and you can add a description, and also you can change the name. I'm putting this public. You can make your own privacy here, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to comment down below and leave your comment in the next video. See you soon. Bye.